With the release of Windows 11 24H2, now is a good time to upgrade. If you have an updated, solid working installation of Windows 10 22H2 or Windows 11 22H2 or 23H2, you can directly upgrade to Windows 11 24H2. For this demonstration, we're performing a manual upgrade from a fully updated Windows 10 Professional 22H2 with installed programs to Windows 11 24H2. We will cover obtaining installation media, performing the upgrade, discuss the purpose of the Windows.old folder, disposing the Windows.old folder to reclaim disk space. Although there are multiple places to get Windows 11 media, the primary two for consumers are the official Windows 11 download site and your Visual Studio subscriptions. Media obtained from either of these two sources will allow you to fully upgrade a licensed commercial Windows 10 or 11 to Windows 11 24H2. At the official Windows 11 download site, click the Select Download drop-down and select the appropriate media for your platform. Expand the Before you begin downloading an ISO section, read the notes. Click Download Now. Optionally, click More Download Options to view other download options. Select your language and click Confirm. Click the 64-bit download button to download the ISO. Expand, verify your download, and take note of the hash. Open a PowerShell session and navigate to the folder where you downloaded the ISO. Type get-file hash and ensure the hash matches that listed on the download site. Double-click the ISO file to mount it. It will appear as if a CD or DVD was inserted. Execute setup.exe, acknowledge the UAC prompt if it appears, consume the notices and license terms, and follow the prompts. At the Ready to Install screen, confirm that both options are checked and click Install. Let the Azure Blue install screen envelop you in a sense of calm while the installation proceeds. Congratulations! You now have an upgraded Windows 11 24H2 instance. Right-click Start and select Installed Apps to ensure your installed programs are still present. Open Windows Explorer, this PC, local disk, and you will notice there is a Windows.old folder. Its primary purpose is to back up your previous Windows installation, preserving all files and data so that you can revert if needed or desired. By default, Windows will automatically delete this folder after 10 days. To check this value, open an administrative or elevated terminal or PowerShell session and use DISM. This time frame can be expanded to 60 days if desired. There are proper and improper methods of manually deleting the Windows.old folder. The proper methods are to set the time frame for when Windows automatically deletes the folder to 2 days, use the Cleanup Recommendations page on the Settings app, or use the Disk Cleanup utility. Since we are in a terminal session, check your activation or license status by typing slmjr/DLV. Since the upgrade was successful, we can take some actions to clean the computer and bring it close to its original equipment state as if it were new. We will remove temporary files, folders, and lingering unnecessary logs, manually remove the Windows.old folder, and clear all event logs. To remove the temp files and folders and the Windows.old folder using the Settings app, right-click Start, Settings, and select Storage. When the computer finishes determining what can be deleted, click Cleanup Recommendations. Check the Previous Windows Installations checkbox and click the See Advanced Options link. Check or uncheck desired options and click Remove Files. Heed any displayed warnings and click Continue. To remove the temp files, folders, and the Windows.old folder using the disk cleanup utility, open an administrative or elevated terminal or PowerShell session. Change directory to C:\Windows\System32. Type cleanmgr.exe/sageset: and any number you desire. Select the files to delete. To execute, use cleanmanager.exe/sagerun and the number you selected. You can also use the disk cleanup utility without using the sageset and sagerun arguments. Once the scan is complete, select all desired items and click OK, followed by Delete Files. A dialog box will appear asking to confirm the cleanup of the previous Windows installation, which is the deletion of the Windows.old folder. Optionally, you can clear all event logs to get a fresh start using the Windows Event Log utility. Open Windows Explorer, this PC, local disk. Notice the Windows.old folder is gone. When completed, right-click Start, Settings, and Windows Update. Click Check for updates. In case you did not know, Windows 8.1, provided the hardware or virtualization platform is supported, can be upgraded to Windows 11 23H2, which can then be upgraded to 24H2. I hope this video assisted you with your upgrade, you learned something new, and found it useful. If you have any feedback, corrections, or suggestions, please let me know in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and pass it on to others. And I thank you for watching.